Hello friends, today's topic stocks upgraded and downgraded according to experts. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is financial education of society. Based on the recent news and business updates of certain companies, analysts have upgraded or downgraded stocks. Many institutional and retail investors take short-term investment decisions based on these analyst announcements. Downgrades means analysts may have either downgraded from buy to hold or hold to sell, or target price may be reduced. Similarly, when the stock is upgraded, it means that the sell rating may have become hold rating, or hold rating may become upgraded to buy rating, or target price may be increased. Following stocks have received ratings upgrade the last 1 month. Stocks which have been upgraded by analysts. 1. Axis Bank upgraded by Edelweiss, target price 1310, current price 1197. 2. Infosys, KR Choksi, target price 2110, current price 1880. 3. Bajaj Auto, upgraded by KR Choksi, target price 11446 and current price 10,064. 4. HDFC AMC, KR Choksi Company, target price 5388 and current price 4710. 5. HDFC Life Insurance, upgraded by KR Choksi, target price 845, current price 743. 6. Angel One, ICICI Securities has upgraded it, target price 3700, current price 3114. 7. HCL Tech, upgraded by Prabhudas Leeladhar, target price 2130, current price 1858. 8. PVR Inox, upgraded by ICICI Direct, target price 1960, current price 1610. 9. KEI Industries, upgraded by Sher Khan, target price 4800, current price 4058. The following stocks have received ratings downgrade in the last 1 month. Stocks which have been downgraded by analysts. Number 1, Nestle India, downgraded by KR Choksi, target price 2524, current price 2350. 2. Deepak Nitrite, downgraded by Prabhudas Leeladhar, target price 2582, current price 2839. You may be wondering, I am saying downgraded and the current price is 2839 and target price is 2582. That means the target price was much higher. It has been brought down by the investigating company. 3. TCS, Geojit BNB Paribas, 4634 is the target price, current price 4123. 4. Shree Cements, Bank of Baroda Capital Markets, target price 25,422, current price 24,325. 5. Avenue Supermart, ICICI Securities, downgraded by target price 4,100, current price 3987. 6. Tata Motors, downgraded by Motilal Oswal, target price 990, current price 910. 7. Polycab, downgraded by CD Equisearch, target price 5595, current price 7120. Usually, at least in the short term, stocks which are downgraded underperform the overall markets and stocks which are upgraded do better than the index. So observe such stocks and see if you can benefit from their movement in the short term. However, such ratings are revised every quarter and the next quarter results are announced, it is revised again. Usually the upside potential for stocks upgraded will be good since the business may be expected to do well or the valuation may be attractive. Also, the downside potential for stocks downgraded will be higher. Here is an announcement. ಷೇರು ಮಾರುಕಟ್ಟೆಗೆ ಈಗ ಪಾದಾರ್ಪಣೆ ಮಾಡುವುದು ಹೇಗೆ? ಒಂದು ಚರ್ಚೆ. ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಲೈವ್ ಇದೇ ಮಂಗಳವಾರ ರಾತ್ರಿ 9 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಭರತ್ ಚಂದ್ರ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ಚಾನೆಲ್ನಲ್ಲಿ. Quiz question at the end of the video. After typing your answer in the comment section, Google for the correct answer. Which company has higher weightage in the Nifty 50 index? 4 choices. A. Infosys, B. TCS, C. HCL Tech, D. Wipro. In case you are not the member of this channel, this is the time to subscribe, press the bell icon, send the video to all your friends. The video is good, press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye and all the best.